Controlled splatter can make a design feel expressive without losing polish. Today, how to create artistic paint speckles. Launch Photoshop and create a 1920 by 1080 canvas with a soft off-white background. Select the brush tool, choose a hard round brush, open brush settings, and increase spacing to about 150% while activating shape dynamics for size variation. Create a new layer and set foreground color to a deep paint tone like rich blue. Click lightly across the canvas to scatter dots. Duplicate the layer, change color using hue saturation, and slightly rotate the duplicate for randomness. Apply Gaussian blur around 0.5 pixels to some areas using a mask.